To turn on or off one-handed mode on the Motorola Moto G15, first let's open our settings. Scroll down to the gestures and select it. Then inside, depending on which navigation method you have active, there will be different options to access one-handed mode. So first, if we use three buttons, we can go for one-handed mode, which is always also right there. And then you won't be able to activate this option, but you can use one-handed mode with the shortcut, which will pop up on your screen. And if you click on it, your notification bar will scroll down to the middle, and you can then deactivate it same way. Now let's move to the gestures, and you can also use gestures to use that mode. So now when we open our one-handed mode, it's active, and all you have to do is swipe down like this, which also scrolls down your notifications bar to the middle. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.